how you can change or reset your suggested reels on Instagram. First, open your app. As you guys already know, there is no separate or particular settings that you can use to reset your suggested reels. So what you can do is try to change your algorithm. So just go to the reels section. And let's say if you don't want to see certain type of reels, what you can do is tap on these three dots right here and just simply tap on not interested. You can choose your not interested reason, so you can do it here, and once you do that, your post should be hidden. So if you scroll down, and let's say if you don't want to see another type of content, let's say this one, so just tap here and tap on not interested, so this will be hidden. It will not be an instant change, so it will gradually take place, the change, so you will have to wait for some time for your algorithm to reset. And that is the only option for now to change or reset your suggested reels on Instagram. If you like certain kind of post, you can just like it, and if you don't like it, you can just tap on not interested. That is the only method for now to change or reset your Instagram reels. I hope you found the video helpful, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.